Do not pay anyone to open a UK TikTok account for you. I repeat, do not pay anyone to open a UK TikTok account for you. In this video, I am going to show you how you can open a UK TikTok account all by yourself, and it is totally free. You don't have to spend a dime. So if you are in Nigeria or in any other country that is not eligible for the TikTok Partners Program monetization, then you should watch this video until the end, as I will show you how you can open a UK TikTok account that can be monetized. Stay with me. If you are watching this video right now, you are very lucky, as I'm going to show you how I created this particular account you are watching me on. Yes, this is me creating this account right now. Stay with me. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is open your TikTok app. Just click on the top to switch accounts. It all depends on the device you are using. I don't know if you are using an Android device or an iPhone, but this method will work for whichever device you are using. So you want to click on add accounts. So when you click on add accounts, you can see it says sign up for TikTok. What you want to take note of here is the button where they wrote by continuing with an account located in Nigeria. You agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. Now, take note of that Nigeria written at that bottom. So what you want to do here is change the location from Nigeria to any of the eligible country, but I will prefer UK. So what you want to do here is click on that Nigeria. You can see the Nigeria is written in bold letters. So what you want to do is click on Nigeria. So when you click on Nigeria, it will open this menu. So here you want to search for the country you are using, which is the United Kingdom. So when you search for United Kingdom, you can see it here. Click on United Kingdom. Now, as you can see, it has changed from Nigeria at that bottom to United Kingdom. So now it says, by continuing with an account located in the United Kingdom, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. So to proceed now, you don't want to sign up with your phone number. What you want to do is continue with email. So you click on continue with email and enter your email address. So I'm just going to enter the email address here. So after entering your email address, you are going to click on send code. So when you click on send code, they are going to send a code to your email, which you are going to use. So here it says create password. So you want to create a password. So I'm just going to create a password right here. I've created my password. So what you want to do is click on next. So here you are going to enter your date of birth. All right, so after entering your date of birth, you are going to click on next. As you can see, it's loading. Now it says verify to continue. So what you want to do is drag this puzzle into the hole. So this is what you just want to do, drag it and make it fit in that hole, and that's it. So here it says verify your email. Remember you entered your email address earlier, and it's going to send a code to verify your email. As you can see, my code just came in. It says 351129 35. All right, so I'm just going to enter the code. So you see, after entering the code, it says create nickname. So what I want to do here is create a nickname. So what nickname do I use? It says this can be anything you like and can be changed later. If you skip this step, you automatically assign a default nickname. However, so I'm going to go with this. So that's the name of this TikTok account, and this is where you'll be watching me from. I'm going to go with learn with Clariden. So I'm going to click on confirm. And here we go. You can see I have created my UK TikTok account. And you can see it is a UK TikTok account, and I will prove that to you. All right. So the difference between a UK TikTok account is that there are some features that are not available on the Nigerian TikTok account, which is available in the UK. TikTok account. So the first way for us to know if this is truly a UK TikTok account is for us to go to settings and privacy and then go to accounts. So here in accounts, click on user information. And as you can see, it says account region. Your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. And you can see it says United Kingdom. That is my account region. So the next thing I want to do here is go back and also let us see if those features which is available in the UK TikTok account, such as the monetization features, are available here. So click on Creator 2. When you click on Creator 2, as you can see, it says subscription, creator rewards program, work with artists, video gifts, creator marketplace. Now, these monetization tools are not available in the Nigerian TikTok account. These monetization tools such as creator rewards program and the creator marketplace are not available in the Nigerian TikTok account, but it is all available here. This is just the beginning of making money from a UK TikTok account, as I've shown you how you can create a UK TikTok account, whether you are in Nigeria or in any of the African countries. This is exactly how you can create a UK TikTok account, and it's easy and free. I hope you gained some value from this video. If you did, kindly hit the like button and follow this page for more videos like this. See you in my next video.